Hello dear viewers, welcome to Hammad Travels and Tourism. Today, we're taking a virtual plunge into the heart of the Middle East, exploring the unique blend of modernity and tradition that defines the Qatari culture. We'll be unearthing the secrets of its rich heritage, diving into its flavorful cuisine, and unveiling the must-visit places that make Qatar a gem worth discovering. So strap on your seatbelts folks, get ready to embark on this exciting cultural journey. Dive into the heart of the Middle East with the vibrant culture of Qatar. Here, the essence of the Arabian Peninsula is distilled into a small yet captivating nation, rich with a cultural heritage that dates back thousands of years. The culture of Qatar is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of its people, deeply rooted in the Bedouin traditions. The Bedouin are desert-dwelling nomadic Arabs who have historically inhabited the Arabian and Syrian deserts. Their influence in Qatar is evident in the nation's love for falconry, poetry, and horse racing. The Bedouins' strong sense of community and their respect for the environment have shaped Qatar's society, fostering a deep sense of unity among its people. One of the most admirable aspects of Qatari culture is its hospitality. The tradition of welcoming guests with open arms is an integral part of their way of life. It's common for Qatari families to host large gatherings where they serve traditional dishes, share stories, and enjoy each other's company. This spirit of hospitality is evident everywhere you go in Qatar, from the bustling souks to the luxurious hotels. The influence of Islam on Qatari society is profound and far-reaching. It shapes the country's morals, values, and daily routines. The call to prayer echoes 5 times a day, inviting the faithful to pause their activities and offer their prayers. During the holy month of Ramadan, the entire country observes fasting from dawn to dusk, transforming the bustling streets into tranquil spaces of reflection and devotion. Art is another significant aspect of Qatari culture. The country is home to a thriving art scene, with local and international artists contributing to the rich tapestry of Qatari culture. The Museum of Islamic Art, for example, houses one of the world's most comprehensive collections of Islamic art, showcasing the creative spirit of Qatar and the wider Islamic world. Qatari culture is a beautiful blend of the past and the present, drawing heavily from its Bedouin roots. The culture of Qatar is a vibrant mosaic that tells a story of resilience, unity, and a deep respect for tradition and heritage. It's a culture that invites you to explore, to learn, and to immerse yourself in its richness. A culture is incomplete without its food, and Qatari cuisine is a delight unto itself. One cannot talk about Qatari culture without mentioning the rich, flavorful dishes that are integral to its identity. The cuisine of Qatar is a fusion of influences from all over the Middle East and beyond, resulting in a gastronomic experience that is as diverse as it is delicious. Starting off, we have makbuz, arguably the national dish of Qatar. A hearty, aromatic blend of rice, meat, and a potpourri of spices, makbuz is a staple at Qatari dinner tables. It's a dish that's steeped in tradition, prepared with love and patience, and savored with family and friends. Next up is gouzi. If you're a meat lover, this dish will be right up your alley. Gouzi is a whole roast lamb or mutton served on top of a bed of nutty rice. Often prepared for large gatherings, this sumptuous dish is a testament to Qatari hospitality and their love for communal dining. And let's not forget the sweet treats. Lukaimat, for instance, is a popular dessert in Qatar. These deep-fried dough balls, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, are drizzled with date syrup and sprinkled with sesame seeds. They're bite-sized delights that are hard to resist. Food in Qatar is more than just sustenance. It's a social affair, a way to bring people together. Whether it's a family gathering, a festive celebration, or even a casual meeting, food always takes center stage. It's an expression of hospitality, a symbol of generosity, and a means to forge and strengthen bonds. Qatari cuisine is an adventure for the palate, a journey through layers of flavor, texture, and aroma. It's a culinary exploration of a culture that is both rich and vibrant. With each bite, you taste a piece of Qatar's rich cultural heritage. Fashion is a statement, and in Qatar it speaks volumes about their culture. Now let's dive into the realm of traditional Qatari attire, a blend of elegance and modesty. For men, the classic choice is the thobe, a crisp, ankle-length garment, usually white. It's not just a daily wear, but also a mark of respect on special occasions. On the other hand, Qatari women are known to wear abaya. This is a sleek black cloak worn over their clothes, often accompanied by a headscarf known as shayla. The abaya is more than just a garment. It's a symbol of modesty and cultural identity, transforming everyday attire into a statement of style and tradition. While these attires have evolved over the years, incorporating modern styles and designs, they remain deeply rooted in Qatari history and tradition. Clothing in Qatar is not just about style, it's a reflection of their respect for tradition and modesty. Music and dance form the rhythm of a culture, and in Qatar, it's no different. Here, the beats of the traditional drums and the poetic verses of the songs are as much a part of the landscape as the sweeping dunes and towering skyscrapers. One integral aspect of Qatari music and dance is the Arda. The Arda, or war dance, is a spectacle of rhythm, poetry, and valor. It begins with a line of men, each holding a sword, moving in unison to the beats of the drums and chants of the singers. The dance is a symbol of unity and strength, a testament to the spirit of the Qatari people. But the Arda is more than just a dance. It's a living, breathing narrative of the Qatari heritage. The poetic verses chanted during the dance tell stories of bravery, honor, and chivalry, echoing the tales of their forefathers. It's a dance that connects the present with the past, reminding every Qatari of their roots. And then there's the music. Traditional Qatari music is a blend of African, Persian, and Indian influences, reflecting the country's rich history of trade and cultural exchange. The melodies are played on traditional instruments like the oud, a pear-shaped stringed instrument, and the rababa, a one-stringed fiddle. These instruments produce a sound that is unique to the region, a sound that resonates with the soul of Qatar. But music and dance in Qatar are not confined to the past. They are evolving just like the country itself. Contemporary Qatari music artists are blending traditional sounds with modern genres, creating a new wave of Qatari music that is as diverse and dynamic as the nation itself. In Qatar, music and dance are not just forms of entertainment. They are threads that weave together the tapestry of Qatari culture, a culture that values its traditions while embracing change. They are the heartbeat of the nation, pulsating with the energy and spirit of its people. Through their music and dance, Qataris express their joy, their history, and their identity. Qatar is a treasure trove of architectural marvels and natural wonders. This pearl of the Persian Gulf is a place where modernity meets tradition, and where the desert meets the sea. Let's embark on a virtual journey to some of the must-visit places in this fascinating country. First stop, Souk Waqif. It's more than just a market, it's a sensory delight. The aroma of exotic spices, the vibrant colors of traditional garments, and the rhythmic sounds of Qatari music fill the air. Here you can immerse yourself in Qatari culture, haggle over handcrafted goods, or simply savor a cup of traditional karak tea. Next, we journey to the Museum of Islamic Art. This architectural gem, designed by world-renowned architect I.M. Pei, houses one of the most comprehensive collections of Islamic art in the world. Inside, you'll find art pieces from 3 continents spanning over 1,000 years, from intricately woven carpets to exquisite calligraphy. A visit here is a journey through the rich tapestry of Islamic art and history. From there we make our way to the Qatar Cultural Village. This is a hub of creativity and intellect, where you'll find an array of art galleries, an opera house, an amphitheater, and even a pigeon tower. The village is not just a testament to Qatar's commitment to promoting cultural exchange and understanding, but also a tribute to the country's dedication to the arts. Finally, we head to the inland sea, or Khor Al Adaid. This natural wonder is one of the few places in the world where the sea encroaches deep into the heart of the desert. Inaccessible by road, this tranquil oasis is a sight to behold. Here, majestic sand dunes rise from the sea, creating an ethereal landscape that's both serene and mesmerizing. Each of these places offers a unique glimpse into the soul of Qatar. Souk Waqif, with its lively atmosphere and traditional charm, is a window into Qatar's past. The Museum of Islamic Art, with its vast collection, showcases the country's respect for art and history. Qatar Cultural Village, with its focus on arts and culture, mirrors Qatar's forward-thinking and inclusive outlook. The inland sea, with its untouched beauty, symbolizes the country's reverence for nature. These places aren't just tourist spots, they're the beating heart of Qatar. Each one tells a story, paints a picture, and leaves an imprint. They are the threads that weave the vibrant tapestry of Qatari culture and heritage. So, whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, a nature lover, or a foodie, Qatar has something to offer you. It's not just a place to visit, but a place to experience, to explore, and to fall in love with. Qatar is more than just a country. It's a tapestry of culture, tradition, and natural beauty. We've journeyed through the vibrant Qatari culture, a world steeped in centuries-old traditions and modern influences. We've explored the mouth-watering Qatari cuisine, where every dish tells a story of heritage and innovation, and savored the flavors of a land that effortlessly blends the old with the new. We've marveled at the traditional Qatari attire, a testament to the country's respect for its roots and its commitment to modesty and elegance. The attire is not just clothing but a symbol of identity, a reflection of a rich history and a proud people. We've swayed to the rhythm of Qatari music and dance, an enchanting symphony of sounds and movements that bring to life the nation's soul. The music and dance are more than entertainment. They are the heartbeat of Qatar, pulsating with the energy and spirit of its people. We've journeyed through must-visit places in Qatar, each more breathtaking than the last. These are not just locations but portals into the country's past, present, and future, offering glimpses into a land that is as diverse as it is unique. This, dear viewers, is Qatar, a nation that is as rich in culture and tradition as it is in natural beauty. A land where the old and the new coexist in harmony, creating a tapestry that is as vibrant as it is diverse. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, ma'a salama, goodbye in Arabic.